Welcome to today's episode of the API Explorer, where we dive into the fascinating world of public APIs and how they can change the way we interact with technology. Hey everyone, glad to have you with us today. Now, if you've ever wondered how websites pull information so seamlessly, from weather updates to stock market data, you're in for a treat. We're talking about public APIs today, which serve as hidden connectors behind the online experiences we all enjoy. So what exactly is an API? Well, it stands for Application Programming Interface. Think of it like a menu in a restaurant. It provides a list of operations that you can use to get a specific outcome. Or, as I like to think of it, it's the way applications talk to each other without needing to know the details of how each one works. Kind of like people chatting at a party, right? Now, let's explore some fantastic public APIs that you can use. One standout is the WeatherStack API. Imagine you have a weather app that shows you current conditions worldwide. With WeatherStack, you can pull real-time weather data effortlessly. Hot and sunny in Sydney or chilly in Stockholm, you can get that info in just a few lines of code. And the best part, it's free. How awesome is that? And speaking of awesome, how about the NumVerify API for validating phone numbers? You can check if a number is real or determine its geographical origin. This can be a lifesaver for businesses trying to manage their customer records. What's even more intriguing is the Fixer API. This one provides foreign exchange rates. If you've ever traveled abroad, you'd appreciate how nifty it is to track exchange rates between different currencies. Have you ever found yourself stressing over whether you got a good deal while on vacation? To add a little flair to our discussion, let's sprinkle in something fun. Imagine if you wanted to incorporate a little entertainment while pulling in real data. Enter the HTTP cat API. This playful API returns cat images associated with HTTP status codes. So when you hit a 404 error, you get a cute cat looking confused instead of a boring error message. I mean, who wouldn't prefer that? Now let's get a little deeper. Have you ever heard of Open Weather Map? This API not only provides weather data, it also includes forecast info, historical data, and even weather alerts. If you're planning a big outdoor event, this could be invaluable. Wouldn't you want to know if it's going to rain on your picnic next Saturday? Let's not forget about APIs that help with finance. The MarketStack API offers both intraday and historical data on stock prices. Investors and finance enthusiasts alike can utilize this API to build apps, analyze trends, and potentially make smarter investment decisions. Now that's what I call a valuable tool for anyone. So putting this all together, public APIs are more than just lines of code. They're powerful tools that can help us and developers connect with information, enhance user experiences, and create new services. They can literally reshape how we interact with the digital world. Before we wrap up, let me ask you this. What would you create if you had access to all the public APIs and no limitations? Would it be a weather app, a financial tracker, or perhaps something completely different? Thank you everyone for tuning in to the API Explorer. If you enjoyed today's show, don't forget to subscribe and share your favorite APIs with us on social media. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless possibilities of technology